Hi guys, so as you can see this is another review video. I've done some for this company before. This is SheModern. They asked me if I'd like to try out some more stuff. They have changed a bit what they do slightly. They used to just be, if you remember my other videos, they had the foil nail art stickers and they started branching out and changing it. I've just watched a couple of videos just to see what they are now doing because they offered me the chance to try out some stencils that they now do, and they've also got the foil colouring nail art. So it's actually not like what it was before. It's a lot more in depth. So in this little kit there's actually two things here. So in the first part you've got the stickers that I chose. So as you can see I went for stars and they are in purple foil. Into the back here you've actually got some handy tools included. I don't want to go too much in depth in this video. This is just a kind of general overview of what I've got, but when I do the individual reviews I'll certainly go in a lot more detail. You've got this piece of sort of soft flexible plastic. This can be used as like a mixing palette, for colours on, etc. So you've got a little sort of palette there. That's just a few extra foil stickers included there. Now these are open, this will be a good chance to show you how actual thin they are. Just lift that up. So you can see this is so fine, this film. So they'll be extra smooth on your nail when they're applied. Also in here there is this creative nail art stencil. Flexible, reusable stencil. So as you can see there's the curve for French tip, there's the curved bit here, we've got the wavy line, we've got the straight line. Again, it's very fine, but it feels strong, like I wouldn't have to worry about it, you know, ripping or anything. So it'd be interesting to, I'll hold that against there, it'd be interesting to try that out and see how well it, you know, it cleans up. Is it only good for gel polish? You know, could you clean it with polish remover if you did normal polish? You know, these are the sort of things I'll need to have a look at. So I'm just going to pop that back in there. So say that was all in that one container there. So that is the sticker side of it. And then in this one we have the creative stencil nail art. So in the back, the second packet again is basically just like what I've shown you in this one. It's got the same sort of bits in it, but this one's got koi fish instead. Now these stencils, basically the same as what this one is. They are saying that they're flexible and reusable. This one's got stars, teardrops and kind of flower pattern, like a 3-petaled flower. Maybe from that distance it even looks like a heart. So that is the items that I got to try out this time. After watching the video I've been quite excited to see what sort of things you can do with these. You can colour them in, keep them and save them for later, etc. But as I said, I'll go in more in depth when I actually do these videos. So keep an eye out for them. There's a link down below to the website.